Hi, my name is Evan, and I am one of your free spirit assistants. I am here to give you instructions on how to use the Life Pages digital journal and journaling in general. What if I told you that one simple habit, just a few minutes a day, could lower stress, improve clarity, and help you understand yourself better? And it costs nothing. Before we begin, if you find value here, please like, share, and subscribe. We truly need your help growing this community, and we sincerely appreciate you being here. Now let me ask you, do you journal? Do you know how? Or have you ever wondered, what good does it really do? If you've ever felt unsure about journaling, you're not alone. Let's make this simple. Why journaling matters. Psychologists have studied journaling for decades. Writing about your thoughts and experiences can reduce stress, improve mood, and help you process emotions in a healthy way. It's a valuable tool for emotional regulation and mental clarity. So yes, it truly supports your mental health. How do you start? There is no right way. You can journal by hand in a notebook, in a guided paperback journal, or digitally on your phone, tablet, or computer. The format doesn't matter. Consistency does. If you're not sure what to write, start with, how do I feel today? What is weighing on me? What am I grateful for? One sentence is enough. It's never too late. Some people journal from childhood. Others begin during stress, grief, or big life changes. It is never too late to start. Your journal is private. It's your safe place to think, reflect, and grow. How to use the digital version. Using a digital journal is simple. Open the file on any device, including your desktop, tablet, or phone. You can use any free PDF reader and things like GoodNotes or Notability. Today I'll talk you through the most common program, Adobe Reader. Open your journal. On the right, you will see bookmark pages. You can also view the thumbnails by choosing the icon at the top. It is the fourth one down. On the left, you can just X out by pressing the X to save viewing space, and you can also choose the two-page view if you like the looks of a book. Now you will see the cover page, followed by a dedication and some helpful thoughts. The following pages include the instructions and details. You will see the icons for you to navigate through the journal. The butterfly will always take you to the home page. The flower will take you forward to the next section. The dove will take you back to the last section. This will help you make changes, additions, and reflect on what you have written. You will be able to review it all at any time. Navigate to the page you want. Type directly into the prompts. Just use your tab key to go to the next line. Very important, don't forget to save your entries. You can do that on the top left menu. Return anytime to demonstrate growth over time. Your entries remain yours. You can keep them forever. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to begin. One sentence today can become clarity tomorrow. Journaling isn't about writing beautifully. It's about living honestly. If you'd like to explore the Life Pages journal collection, check the links below. And if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who might need encouragement to start their own journaling journey. Because your story matters. Comment below and let's start a healthy conversation. Whether it is questions, thoughts, feeling, or struggles, communicating is key. Remember, organization brings peace, clarity brings confidence, and simple systems create calm. You've got this. We will see you in the next video.